Did you know that quantum computers are 158 million times faster than supercomputers? There's this one thing that people don't really get about quantum computers. They think that they're just really complicated and hard to use. But what if I told you that they're actually really simple, like a kid could do it? In fact, a kid has done it. A 7-year-old kid won a science fair at school by building a quantum computer out of Legos. Well, with some help from his dad, an electrical engineer, they built this Lego quantum computer, and it was able to outperform a supercomputer. Now, what does this mean exactly? What's so special about a quantum computer? Well, here's the thing. Most computers that we're using today are based on bits. Bits are basically like tiny switches that are either on or off, 1 or 0. But in a quantum computer, we have qubits, which are like bits, but they're a little bit different. They're kind of like those light bulbs that you can turn on or off. But they can also be in this weird state called superposition, where they ray both on and off at the same time. This might sound kind of confusing, but it's actually really simple. It's just like when you're into places at once, like when you're at home and you're on a Zoom call and you're like, "Can you guys hear me? Can you see me?" And then you have to press the buttons to, mute yourself and stuff. It's because you're into places at once. And your computer is also into places at once. And that's what it means to be in superposition. But that's not all. Qubits can also be linked together in this weird way, where if you change one qubit, the other one changes too. No matter how far away it is. This is called entanglement. It is kind of like when you and your best friend are into different places, but you both feel the same emotion at the same time, like when you're both watching the same show. And you both feel really sad at the same time even though you're apart. So now we have these qubits that can be in multiple places at once, and are connected in this weird way. So what? How does this make a quantum computer faster than a supercomputer? Well, it turns out that this weirdness of quantum mechanics, the superposition and entanglement stuff, can be used to do certain calculations much faster than what's possible on a regular computer. It's not even comparable. It's like comparing apples to oranges. They're not even in the same ballpark. This is why people say that quantum computers are going to revolutionize everything. Because they can do some things that are just impossible for classical computers to do. Now, I didn't come up with any of this. This is all stuff that scientists have been working on for decades. The point is, it's not just some crazy idea that I had. It's real science. And I think that's really cool. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. If you want to learn more about quantum computing, there's a whole free course available online. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.